My name is Frank, and welcome. I want to talk a bit about my plastic film camera, or one of my plastic film cameras, and that camera being the AgfaPhoto 35mm reusable film camera. Now you can find this camera under brands such as Ilford and Kodak, and there's others, but they're the same camera. The top's the same, the bottom plate's the same, the back is the same, even the way you load the film is the same. The only difference on the cameras is the face plate between each brand, but they're just really fun, easy to use point and shoot 35mm cameras. Now I'm not going to get into the specifics of how to load the film, how to rewind the film, how to take the film out of the camera. There's just tons of videos on YouTube that'll show you how to do that. My main objective though is to show you results of the photos that I've taken with this camera. I've been using this camera for just a little bit over a year, and I shoot just black and white in it. And the film that I have loaded in right now is Ilford HP5, and I've also shot Rolly RPX 400, and I've also shot some Kent Mirror 400 in the past. I've gotten some really nice results out of this camera, and it has a plastic lens, as they all do. This is the 31mm f9, and the shutter speed is 1/120th of a second, has a built-in flash, and it just takes some nice dreamy pictures. Because of the plastic lens, the pictures are sharp in the center and they're soft on the edges, giving me some really nice artsy results. I've just really enjoyed using this camera. And again, I shoot only black and white, and I develop all my film myself. I've been developing my film since 1971. I developed my film through the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, and up until 2002, when I made the transition to digital. I stopped film photography completely. But in 2020, I started with the film again, and I've really enjoyed it. The developer I use for most of my photos is Clayton F76 Plus. Now this developer is very similar to like Kodak D76. Has a similar contrast and tonality, but has a little finer grain. And what I like about it, first of all, it's liquid, it's a concentrate, it's one shot, and it has a really, really good shelf life. I like it a lot, and so the photos that I've taken in this video were with that developer and those films. So take a look at them. I hope you enjoy them, and if so, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for viewing.